Hi Sagittarius, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your reading from 20th to 26th of July, and I did a mistake before, so I didn't put my camera on and I shuffled my cards and I spread the cards as well. So when I saw again, then I saw that I didn't put my camera on. It was really off. So never mind, because I didn't start my reading then. So I was talking to a camera which was already off before. Alright, so let's start with your reading because I have already put the cards, and let's see. So for those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all, and this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you. Okay, so if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be updated about my latest videos. Alright, so let's start your reading, Sag. So in your reading, which I feel, you are going from a problem. There is a serious issue because you have gone in a very, very self-isolation mode. You are isolated because your conscious energy is Four of Swords, where you are in deep healing mode, and your subconscious and your conscious, both energies are in deep healing mode with the Hermit and Four of Swords. So I can see that you are healing from some kind of problem because the core issue is Five of Swords. Some kind of betrayal was there, some kind of deception you faced, and it was really hidden and you didn't even know that it was actually planned from a long time, and you didn't know that with the Moon card. And because with your past energy, it is deception, more deception with the Five of Swords and Seven of Swords. It's like you gave a lot to this new person, whosoever he or she was, whichever situation you were in. It might be a partnership as well, and you gave a lot, I can see. But the other person, they ditched you and they just backstabbed you, and you are in that mode where you are actually trying to find balance with the with the Temperance card, Sagittarius. So but in your future, I can see you that this healing mode is actually helping you a lot, trust me, because you are moving on. And the chariot never says no. When a chariot comes in a reading, it means that go girl, go boy. It's like that. Okay, so your healing process is actually taking you very far. It's taking you to a place where you might not even understand that this is you. You will see yourself and you will be so positive. You will have that kind of an energy where you would see people would come and tell you that who are you now, in that mood. Trust me, with your outcome as King of Pentacles, you are going to rock, man. I'm telling you, seriously, you are on rock. You are a rock star, I'm telling you. Alright, so let's clarify your cards now. Let's see what exactly happened. So with Five of Swords, what is this Five of Swords, please? A lot of deception I can see. Five of Wands with the Emperor. Okay. So some kind of conflicts arose first, then those conflicts, those arguments, actually it became fights. And with the Five of Wands and Five of Swords, it's like, small petty issues became worse and worse each day. And the other person with whom you were dealing with might be an Aries, but this person was very demanding, very dominating, but you still gave this person your everything. Okay, you still were like, okay, I'm moving with this person no matter, I love this person. But this person was he wanted everything. The dominating power was so much that you were not able to feel yourself. You started sabotaging yourself because this person actually sabotaged you, and you started self-sabotaging. So I can feel over here. Let's see, the Moon, the Star, and Three of Wands. Okay, so you might be far from your family. So this person was actually with the Star and Three of Wands, I can see that for some people you might be far from this person, but still this person managed to dominate you and to put you in that kind of a place. For some people, the things were really hidden, and you were actually, you loved this person. He was a hope for you, he or she. You were waiting for this person, but might be in some kind of another, this person was involved with some third party situation also. So I can see that there was a deception from their side, and you couldn't do anything. You were like, okay, fine. But when you found out, let's see, what is this? Seven of Swords. Yeah. Oh, okay. Seven of Swords clarified by Eight of Cups and Five of Cups. So much of sadness. What is this, Sag? So this person just moved away. See how this person is moving away and leaving you alone over here. And see how you are so sad. You are crying for this person, but this person just moved away from you. And he actually moved away like not showing you that he is moving towards, like he might have told you. For some people it's like, he just went out for some kind of travel, and he told you, just I'm just traveling for business. And so this was a very a motive behind this was they were meeting new people over there, and you were waiting for this person over here. See, look how you are waiting for them to come back and you will live with them, but this person didn't come. And he just, he was actually looking at you when he was leaving. But this person, for some of you, it might be this person might have taken a lot of property, a lot of money, cash or jewelry, everything from you, and then he left you, ran and never returned. But you thought that money doesn't matter for you. It's more like, why did you cheat? Why did you cheat? Exactly. So you are sad over here at your past. Your past energies are really very sad. Okay, so let's see your future energies. The Chariot. What is the Chariot over here? Ten of Swords with the Hierophant. For some people, this might be a marriage as well. You were involved with this person, and but you are ending this marriage. I can see the Ten of Swords and the Hierophant. This is for some people. You are also taking some help from the counselor as well. Some wise people whom you actually listen to them. So you are actually ending this marriage, or you are ending this thing, because it took a lot of effort for you, because you are in deep healing mode. I am actually looking towards that only. Let's see what is this Four of Swords in your subconscious energy. Four of Wands with Eight of Wands. Okay, so you actually were waiting, subconsciously you were still waiting for this person to contact you, because you never wanted to end this marriage. But I'm seeing that you are ending something. You are ending the relationship, you are ending the marriage, you are deciding something, and that is why this is taking you time. Subconsciously you are waiting, you are still thinking about the person, and you still want that this person, if he or she will contact you, you might even start it again. But let's see. The Hermit. What is this Hermit in the conscious energy? Seven of Cups and Ten of Pentacles. So actually what is happening, why do you want to contact? Because you dealt with this person, and you shared a lot of memories, you shared a lot of things with this person, traveling, having good food and going out, like dancing, singing, a lot of happy moments. You have a lot of things in your head about for this person, for this marriage. That is why it's taking a lot of time for you to heal from this thing, because it was actually, for some people it might be a love marriage as well, and you were very happy with this person, but you are not able to understand that what actually happened, and you are still trying to find that question mark is still there. What happened? Let's see the Temperance in your energy. Okay. Queen of Pentacles and Ten of Wands. Okay, so for some people it might involve children as well. So there is a pressure on you. Okay, so with regards with Queen of Pentacles, it's like there might be some money issues as well. I can see that you have to solve other problems regarding related to money. So that is why you are now feeling very burdened that what will happen, because there are, if you know, when one problem comes in your life, many things are also coming with that. So your love is ending, so is your savings also, because I don't feel that you are working somewhere, and if you are working as well, they are not enough to to pay loans and to pay EMI. So that is why a lot of pressure is there. You are healing inside, and you are balancing outside world as well, and there's a lot of pressure, a lot of pressure on you with regard. See how you are balancing yourself first. You have to see yourself, and at the same time you have to see the people around you, the people, the society. They are questioning what happened to your marriage, what happened to your relationship. So you are going through a lot of stuff, I guess. That I'm really sorry. I'm with you. Okay, so let's see the Lovers. Yeah, so the other person did end, because it's on their side. So they took a decision and they have ended this thing. So they might have spoken to you regarding this. Might have been Aqua or Gemini or Sag, Aries, Leo, Libra. Okay, so this person, they talk to you about it. They are very clear, because they are, with the King of Swords, no emotions left. With the Knight of Rods, there's much more to become mature. They're still immature. They're still behaving like they're bachelor. They are bachelor or bachelorette. So they are behaving like, a playboy, Casanova, who is, I can get anyone. I am moving from here. So I don't feel wherever they are moving towards, that is not a very long-term relationship or long-term thing. They are just moving, because they will come back. That I know. And I feel that, yes, with the Knight of Rods, he never gets satisfied with anything, no matter it's you or someone else. Yes, so with Knight of Swords, Seven of Swords, and King of Pentacles. So yes, you are still crying, because you are in that mode where you are crying at nights, because this person did leave you and they didn't even tell you. So this person, I can feel that this person might have left you for the money, because he or she is finding more money with someone else and more stability. So I can see that this is more regarding the money for them. But you, at the other end, you also got the King of Pentacles, because it is something, you have gone through a lot of stuff, but it will take time. Yes, I'm not telling you that it will happen tomorrow only, that you will get a lot of, you are so much happy only tomorrow. You will get all the money, whichever you were dealing with. You will get everything. You will get the one whom you were waiting for. No, it will take time, because you are healing right now, and healing process is long. So, but when you will be healed, it will be like, I can't even deal with you. If this person comes back, you are like, no, I'm ending this. Who are you to tell me what to do? I will tell you what to do. Yes, wow. So with the King of Pentacles, it's the clarification cards are Six of Swords and Temperance, which means that you have finally you have scored what you actually lost. You lost your balance, you lost everything. So right now you are taking time to seek balance. You are taking time for inner healing. you are healed. See how you are moving towards calmer waters, because for some of you you might even enter into spirituality mode. Where you will you will start attaching with God a lot, and you will be spiritually healed and spiritually like, I have everything and I'm happy with everything, whatever that is. Because with the King of Pentacles, Pentacles is a very stable, very satisfied person who is happy with everything, because everything around him is like, I'm fine, I'm happy, because this is what the God has to offer me. So satisfied, being optimistic in every situation, that is what you are going towards, and that is really beautiful, Sag. Okay, so because this is you, Temperance card, and that's you, Sagittarius. Alright, so that's all from my side, Sagittarius. I really hope you liked the reading. Please give a thumbs up if you really liked it, and we'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.